Hello everyone, welcome to today's news. We bring you the latest headlines and essential stories from around the globe. Stay with us as we explore the key events shaping our world. Today we will talk about top secret underwater drone unveiled, the future of ocean warfare. Before watching the video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. In the shadowy depths of our world's oceans, a new titan has emerged, not of flesh and blood, but of steel and cunning, the Manta Ray drone. Forged by the brilliant minds at Northrop Grumman and designed under the auspices of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, this underwater leviathan was unleashed to redefine the boundaries of military prowess and technological mastery. After 4 arduous years of development, the Manta Ray has surfaced as an avant-garde marvel, crafted to execute long-range, endurance-heavy missions with the grace of its namesake. Born from the blueprints in 2020, the Manta Ray was conceived with a singular, audacious vision: to spawn a new breed of unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, that could traverse vast oceanic abysses for extended periods without human intervention. This autonomous titan of the deep is engineered to operate in the harshest conditions imaginable. It confronts a corrosive underworld where sea life clings and clutters, where sunlight scarcely penetrates, and where the relentless pressure threatens to crush any interloper. Manta Ray's design epitomizes biomimicry, an art of echoing nature's genius in engineering. Like its biological counterpart, this drone glides through the water with an effortless grace, its body shaped for optimum efficiency, enabling it to conserve energy while maximizing movement through its haunting underwater flight. Yet, unlike the natural manta, this mechanical beast harnesses the sea's boundless energy, drawing power from the movements of the water itself, a feat that reduces its need to surface and risk detection by prying eyes. The Manta Ray's prowess is not merely in its stealth and endurance. It embodies the cutting edge of UUV technology, addressing the perennial challenges of biofouling, corrosion, and propulsion within the abyss. Its low-power systems for detecting and classifying underwater hazards represent a leap forward in subaqueous technology, ensuring that it requires minimal human oversight and remains a low-maintenance operator within a high-maintenance arena. One of the most profound capabilities of the Manta Ray lies in its role as a sentinel of the deep. Equipped with passive sonar hydrophones, it listens, ever vigilant, for the faint whispers of enemy submarines. It is a silent watcher, capable of capturing vast swathes of data, which its onboard AI sifts through, sending only the most crucial information back to its human commanders. As the world's geopolitical waters grow increasingly turbulent, the potential for a fleet of manta rays to patrol contentious zones like the South China Sea is monumental. These drones could form an autonomous network of eyes and ears, a hydroacoustic web that could track hostile movements with unprecedented coverage and stealth. Moreover, the offensive capabilities of the Manta Ray are equally formidable. Armed with lightweight anti-submarine torpedoes, these drones could transform into underwater hunters, stalking enemy submarines and striking with lethal precision when a target ventures into their domain. In essence, the real-life Manta Ray is a peaceful giant of the oceans. Its robotic counterpart, however, has been molded into a formidable guardian and warrior of the deep, a testament to human ingenuity and a harbinger of a new era in naval warfare. The Manta Ray is not just a machine. It is a symbol of the future, a powerful force lurking in the ocean's shadows, ready to defend, detect, and destroy. So that is it, guys, for my today's video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.